Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to Sir Nazri, our beloved lecturer of Metal Sheet course. So today we will be presenting our proposal for the title that we have chosen, Laptop Stand. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Hazim once again. This is Khalif, Amirul, Najmi, and Ifa. Today, I will give a short brief about laptop stand. For introduction, a laptop stand is something that we use to put our laptop on it instead of using desk or table. This is because laptop stand is much easier to use, easy to maintenance, and easy to be carried anywhere, at any time or at any place. For example, if we traveling by car, suddenly came up work we must do at that time. So we can just set up our laptop stand and turn on the laptop. I think the work should be done on the spot and it should be no problem. And that's the advantage of laptop stand. The main function of laptop is to help everyone give a good posture. This means it will allow your laptop screen closer to your eye level, especially when it helps us to do work in a comfort posture. I think that is all for introduction. For further design of our product, I will proceed to Khalif for his next task. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Now I want to share about our project for sheet metal, which is laptop stand. This is our drawing. Okay, this is our first drawing for our project. This drawing for base laptop stand. The sizing is 380 times 400 times 1.6 mm for the thickness, and this have a 60 degree for the bending process and 90 degree for bending process. Second drawing is for the part 1 of the top stand. The sizing is 390 times 300 times 1.6 mm, and we make a one hole for the laptop stand. The sizing is 320 times 240, and then we have a 6 hole for the rivet to tight the encel. Third drawing for part 2, the sizing is 180 times 390 times 1.6. This they also have a 6 hole for rivet to tight the encel. And the last drawing for our project, the sizing of encel we use is the standard sizing in market. We use the encel, the sizing is 32.6 times 25 times 1.5 mm. The size hole have a 4, which is the diameter 3.2 mm. Okay, this our 2D drawing for our project. This is our 3D project. We use the SolidWorks to make the 3D project, 3D view. Okay, this my project look like this. This is our base, and this were part 1 and part 2. This the position of the encel is this part. Okay. This our 3D project, and the bottom of base we put rubber for make sure the laptop stand it not move, and it can fit on the table or anywhere. That's all for me for the drawing part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirul. I would like to tell about the product process The first process, we are using laser cutting machine to cut raw material into the desired specification, and the second thing is also using the laser cutting machine to cut the airflow holes for the laptop stand, and lastly to cut the angle adjuster of the laptop stand. The next process is to make a hole for the hinges by using a handrail. Alright, the third step, we are using the bending machine for bend the product as desired. The fourth step is rivet hinges installation by using the rivet gun. Lastly, we will be installing the rubber seal at the base of the laptop to ensure the laptop stand doesn't move when it is on a slippery surface.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Najmi Abdul Fattah bin Muhammad Saleh. So I'm going to talk about our project briefing by using a Gantt chart. So you can see from the Gantt chart on week 1 already completed, which is about project briefing. So our lecture will give a project guideline on this week. So the following week is on week 2, which is group discussion. So on this week, which is week 2 until week 6, we discuss about our project team, project design, material selection, manufacturing process, and our costing and risk management. So all these tasks already completed by us because we already on week 7. So on this week, which is week 7, is project proposal. So we will submit our project proposal on this week, and hopefully we approved by our lecturer. So the next week, which is manufacturing process, which is we will try still on planning, do our project, which is we will using a laser cutting, bending, and a minor part we will maybe using a rivet. So this have to done on week 8 until week 12. So the next following week, which is week 13, which is we have finish our product and have to submit our final product and also a full report, which is final report. So the last week, which is week 14, we have on that week we will prepare our presentation and have to present to our lecturer. So from the Gantt chart we can see there's total 14 weeks we have need to done to complete our project successfully. So that's all for me. Thank you very much, sir.
Next, I will proceed with the costing material of the product. For every product, we need to have a listing budget or cost listing before we produce a product. So for our project, which is laptop stand, we have been listing the costing material for the product before we proceed with to produce it. So for the material, mild steel sheet metal, the cost will be RM50 for 1 unit. Second, rubber pad, which we need 2 pieces, so the costing will be RM4. Third is a rivet, which we need 12 pieces, so the price or the cost for 12 pieces is RM6. Fourth is hinge, which we need 3 units, so the cost will be RM6 also. And the last is a spray paint, which we need 2 colors, so the costing will be RM20 for the 2 bottle of paint. So the total price for our laptop stand costing is RM86. As for the conclusion, we can conclude that this upcoming laptop stand will be more useful and affordable to the students and workers that need to use their laptop almost all the time every day in their daily life, especially during this pandemic COVID-19. We're sure that our design will be giving more comfortable and attractive to them. We hope that our design and project proposal will be approved and accepted by the lecturer and the assistant engineer so that we can proceed with our project sooner. That's all from us. Thank you.